They're all right. It's cutish. This is also giving me mermaid, but more of the mermaid I want to be. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Raven and I'm a fashion stylist and content creator. But on my channel, I do fashion hauls and reviews, press on nail reviews, and a little bit of luxury on a budget. This is another press on nail haul. BETTYCORA sent me some nails, y'all. We know how the first one went, okay? They have some gel sets and they told me to send them my sizes. So we're gonna see how this worked out, okay? These nails have been sitting in this room for months now. If you've seen my Where Have I Been, then you know why. But I have the energy today, so we're gonna get into it. They sent me these bag of nails and a discount code for you guys, so I'll be sure to put it on the screen and in the description box. But it's 20% off your sets of nails. So let's get into these and get my first impressions of what these nails are, because I just don't know. I literally have not looked in this bag. Based on my measurements, they sent me a size large, and I think she says they sent me like one size medium. It came with this little prep pad, this little file, and this cuticle pusher. And okay, so I was trying to see if the nail pads were in here. The glue pads are here, along with a little glue. It also comes with a little quick and easy guide on how to put them on. This is what I got. You know, they're all right. They are not my cup of tea. This is why I like to pick my own stuff, because, you know, then I can be like, oh, I like this. Oh, I don't. Let's see if they're going to fit. They do. They are long enough-ish. It does look like, you know, it's with gel polish, and that these like little stone things are not going to come off. They're just not my cup of tea. Maybe if the French tip was a different color, it's just like the gold mixed with like these pastel-y colors, for me is just like not doing it. And then the gold is very like striated, which I don't really like. I don't know if that's intentional or just like the brush they used or what, but it's just not giving what I would want it to give. But you know, if you like them, these are for you. What is this? They also sent me this thing. This is not normally how these go. They sent me this cuticle oil. It has little flowers in it. Let's see if it smells like anything. It smells nice. It smells kind of like candy. Yeah, there's no like ingredients on here, so you know. Let me see, is there any on the box? No, because I didn't even know what this was. Okay, I think this is like a nail kit, which I'm here for. Oh, this is nice. Okay, BETTYCORA. This is really nice. It has 3 different nail clippers in it. It has like a set of tweezers, your little like cuticle snippers, these little scissors, a little pushback. They have all the tools, honey. I like this. This might be my favorite thing. I really like this. And these, it's like weighty. Okay, BETTYCORA, I like this. Back to the nails, okay? Next up in this mystery package, all the packages have that like nail file, all that stuff in it. These are better, much better than the other ones. They still have those little dots on them. I don't know if that's like the thing that they just like to do or something, because I don't need a bunch of with these things. I hope this is the only other pair that has these little things on it. Like, I like the pastel colors with the pastel stuff. This stuff, because it is a gel nail, it's not gonna come off. I don't know which sizes are which though. Oh, this is the size medium. Okay, nail thickness. I did not do that on the last one. I'm sorry, y'all. They're pretty thick. Like, it's a good thickness. I don't love the color combination, but it's a cute little set. I'm okay with it. It kind of reminds me of like they were trying to do a cat eye, like the cat eye nail polish, but they didn't do that. The way that the like colors blend in and out. But you know, they tried. Next up, I'm telling you right now, I should just pick my own sets. That's just what I should have done. This is giving like Little Mermaid tea. Like, that's what I like when I first thought. I was like, I'm a mermaid. It has these like foil diamonds on the end, kind of almost like a French tip, and then it has this little diamond bead jewel thing here at the tip of that. They're all right. Again, they're just not my steez, but you know, this is probably gonna be a giveaway because this ain't really me. The thing is, you have to be my sizes too. So you either have to be a large or like somewhere between a large and a medium. The way that it's made is really good. I just don't like the design. Again, this is going to be the gel, so you don't have to put a top coat or anything on it. Thickness of these nails These nails are pretty thick now, okay? Like, the tip of this is not going nowhere. I'm here for that. I hope one of these sets I like. Just one. I'm asking for one set, okay? These are cat eye, and I love me a good cat eye. It does have like a little flick of the wrist on the end of a silver, which I'm not really like a fan of, but it's all right. It's better than the other ones, okay? It's just that the silver isn't as like opaque as I would like it to be. It's a little light on the ends here. Like when you get to the tip of the nail, it's just a little afterthought-ish. Like this one looks more like a line with just like a little bit there versus the other ones are a little bit more prominent. So I think a little bit more consistency on that BETTYCORA would be amazing. The thickness is really good on these. Again, it's going to be that gel, so you ain't got to worry about the pattern coming off. But this color is pretty. Like, I really like this cat eye color. That's gorgeous. This is what I got. These are like a fallish nail. It's giving sweater weather, and they all right. I don't really like this like abstract, and I'm here for an abstract usually. I just don't like this one because it's trying to give like animal print, but not. I don't know what's going on there. The sweater nail is really nice. The brown is gorgeous. This taupey color is beautiful. It's just these two nails here. If they were just white, or if like one of them was white and one of them was like one of these taupey or brown colors, I'd be totally fine with this. So you might be able to like paint over it. I don't know. I am here for this being like an almond shape. It does get kind of wide around here, so it overlaps on the sides here a little bit. But other than that, they're okay. This is a nice strong nail, honey. I'm here for the thickness of these nails. It's cute-ish. Last but not least, this is what I got. Okay. So it's similar to the other cat eye nails. This is a blue cat eye. This is also giving me mermaid, but more of the mermaid I want to be. You know what I'm saying? So it has like a silver kind of like border near the cuticle. Again, that silver is just not it. Okay? Like, I don't know what kind of silver y'all need to get, but for whatever reason, the glitter nail polish that y'all companies have is not the one that y'all should be using. Because again, it's a little spotty in certain areas. Other areas, it's more opaque. I do like this blue is really nice. This is going to be a more transparent nail. Oh, and then I just noticed the inside of the nail is kind of etched a little bit, so you don't have to file them as much, and it'll help to adhere to your nail bed better. But it's pretty. It's just see-through. So if you don't like your nails to be see-through, these ain't the ones for you. These are pretty thick. They're not as thick as some of the other ones because the nail polish isn't as thick on these. It seems like there's probably like 1 or 2 coats of this blue versus the other one has like more coats of nail polish on top of them, making the nails themselves a little bit thicker as well. But this is also on a clear nail. Some of the other ones were on white nails. I definitely think that you could buy these if you find a design that you like. Some of these designs I just wouldn't have bought or purchased for myself. I feel like you can reuse these, so they are worth the money versus some of the other ones where it's like the design's gonna rub off, you can't really reuse them, and unless you put a top coat on them. Any seconds that I can spare, I'm here for it, okay? I don't like to do the gel top coat and all that because it just takes too long. So usually I'll do a clear top coat at most. This will save me all of those steps. Again, you get 20% off your purchase with my discount code here at BETTYCORA. Let me know if you would purchase any of these nails. Are any of these nails your vibe? And I'll put some of the nails that I would have chosen for myself in the description box below. And since you've made it this far, if you haven't already, join the tribe of baddies on a budget and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you're the first to be notified every time I post a new video. And you might as well follow me on IG and TikTok. Until next time, y'all, watch this video that was picked specifically for you.